I swear to y'all, we wrote this song today, me and the Peach Pickers, alright? And we wrote it on guitar, so I've never played it on the piano, so I'm going to really mess it up. Should I get my guitar? Alright, let me try it on the piano, and if I mess it up on the piano, then I'll get my guitar. But we may have named our tour next year from this song, so Bryan, y'all may need to help me on the lyrics. This is some good shit, I promise. I wouldn't do it if it was bad. Certainly if I didn't know the damn thing, right? Oh, it's called Dirt Road Diaries, by the way. Me and Daddy ride around all day, shooting buzz off a line in a Chevrolet.
We're getting into a fight. You want to fight? You want to fight right now? You want to fight?
Now, everybody's YouTubing this. What's this about?
Oh, you go, Tom.
Oh, hell, I don't care. Let's go to war, right? Me and Daddy ride around all day, shooting buzz off a line in a Chevrolet. Only I have to jump out the back and fetch him up. We'd ride for miles and miles and never once hit blacktop or changed it down. One little country station was all there was. Oh, I messed the chords up. Here we go. Checking gates, fixing fence rows. That's how my story goes. If you want to know the real me, just turn the page in my dirt road diaries. It's right there for you to see. Every beer, every kiss, every cotton field memory. Time back to some good shit and the light. Right around windows down on a summer night. I was there, that was me. Oh, what is it? Hold on. I was there, that was me. It's right here in my dirt road diaries. I remember when I turned 16. Got a license and some gasoline. Wasn't a curve or a straightaway. We didn't fly down. If I wasn't with the boys, it was me and her. By a field, wait, what is it? Oh, if I wasn't with the boys, it was me and her. By fire in a field and down by the river. Every piece of this town, it was safe. Oh, I'm forgetting the words. Oh, what is it? Oh, that's it. Wish I knew that